Guys, welcome to Shopify School. Today in this module, we will be learning how to create complete Shopify store right from scratch. We will be taking help of ChatGPT. We'll be creating the store in Shopify, and so let's go ahead and get started. So there are two things. First, I would like to tell you. First, if you have not signed up for your Shopify account, go to the class first getting started. Click on this particular link. Then enter your email and go next and sign up for a free trial account. Once you will be signed up over here, you will be taken to your dashboard. Since I am a Shopify partner, I'll be creating a development store in my partner manager, and over there I'll be showing you. So if you have a partner manager, the benefit of this is that you don't need to immediately opt for a Shopify plan. Over here you can create your store and can then either transfer it to a client or can make live for yourself. So first, if you want to do this way, you can sign up for Shopify partners and then go to stores and then hit add store and create development store for client. So for example, this is our Shopify school. Okay, shop school module 1. Okay, so let's do it and create the development school, a development store, and over there I'll be showing you up with everything. So first, I'm thinking of what niche to create store of. So basically, whenever you're going to create a store, you'll need to have your niche, your brand name, your product, and everything up. However, I'll be showing you how to create your store with the help of ChatGPT and Gendrop as a supplier. For the niche and other things, I'll be dropping a separate module where I'll be talking of how to do niche research, how to find winning products if you do not have your own product. So let's dive into it. So I'm thinking of launching a say pet store. So let's go to ChatGPT and say, hey, I'm planning to launch a pet store. Suggest me a brand name for it. So over here, you can just go and just type in this prompt, and ChatGPT will be giving you up with some names which you can just check out if the domain is available and can book it. So for this, what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking this Authepause premium domain name and we will be using it to create our store. So first, once your Shopify store is created, you will need to go to settings. Then you will have to go to general and click over here and put in the store name. And you will need to put in a store phone number over here as well if you have one. If you don't have, you can just simply skip this and hit save. That's completely fine. So this is our store name. Now the next place where we'll have to add is the preferences. You'll need to go to preferences and put in your store name over here because this is the name which will appear in the search engines. So I'll just put in the name over here and we'll need to put up the meta description over here as well. So let's ask, okay, I selected as my brand name, write meta description for Shopify. Awesome. So now this will give us the meta description. You simply just copy it or refine it as of your need and simply paste it over here and just hit save. So that's it for the preferences side. Now the next thing will be adding products to the store. Since we do not have our own products, what I'll be doing is that I'll be using an app called CJ Dropshipping. You can simply search for it over here, and once you will find it, you just install the app. Once the app is installed, you will need to click on CJ Dropshipping. Once you'll click over here, after the installation, it will take you to this page where you will need to authorize your account in this particular Shopify store. So I'll just go ahead and hit authorize. So now this CJ Dropshipping is now connected to my store. Okay. Now let's take help of ChatGPT and decide what could be the product categories. Suggest me with 3 product categories I can use on my store. So it says we can use designer collar and laces, we can use the bedding and comfort, and we can use apparel and accessories. So awesome. Let's go ahead and first create categories and then we'll add products into it. So let's say I won't be using designer collars and laces. I'll be using collars and laces. Just copy it. Now you'll see collections over here. So in Shopify, we call categories collection. So simply delete the old one. Just click add collection over here and then just paste it. Now over here you will need to select manual because we will be adding products manually to this category. Once this is created, let's create the next one. It's called bedding and comfort. Just go over here, just paste it and hit save. And let's do apparel. I'll do pet toys instead. Okay. So let's do pets toys. Let's save it. So now we have three categories. One is collars and laces, other is bedding and comfort, and third one is pets toys. So let's go and start one by one. So collars and laces. So we are on CJ. Now we'll search. Okay, first I'll tell you, you can go over here into the pet supplies as well. And over here, you can find different categories. For example, pet collars and accessories are over here, pet toys are over here, pet bedding are over here. So you can directly even go over here into the specific category as well rather than going and typing it up. Okay, so simply let's just click over here and see. And based on the listing we'll be using the product. For example, this product has 10,000 listings. Let's add it to my product. Let's add this list to my products as well. Even this one, even this one. This tutorial is just for showing you how to create your store and how to product. So from A to Z you know how to create your store. In the next video I'll be showing you how to pick a product, which product you should pick and what category you should choose. Okay, so I'm not giving focus on what product to choose from here. I'm randomly picking product from the category we selected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 products we already got for pet collars. So let's go to the next category. Next is say bedding and comfort. So we'll simply go over here and then we'll go to pet bedding and we'll pick say 6 products from here as well. So add to my products. Add this to my products as well. Add this. Add this. Add this and then and this. Okay, we got 6 products for our second category as well. Now let's go to pets toys. Perfect, feeling playful now. Okay, so we are into the pets toys now and let's pick some products from here as well. Oh, since when this brush became toy. Okay, 2, I got 3, we got 4. Oh, this product is pretty viral. I know about it. This one as well. Cool. So we got our products for the different categories. Now let's see into the my products. So our my product page is finally open. Simply click over here. I'll be just selecting randomly. I'll be just selecting all the products. Then I'll do a template listing. And now I'll create a template of price over here. And I'll say price strategy. Okay. And over here I did 2.5x of the price, include shipping cost and just hit confirm. So that's it. Now our product will start getting pushed into our store. So you can see this product cost is $2, so approx will be 180 rupees, and it's listed for 470, and accordingly all other products are. And now they are being posted to our Shopify store. So you'll see listing succeeded over here. Let's go and just check into the products. Okay, you see 2 products are up over here. So this will be done in a bit. Once this is done, I'll be back. Okay, so CJ dropshipping is taking years to just list all the products. This is how it works, but reality is what it is. So our products are finally sent to Shopify. It says listing succeeded. So 2 failed, and one is from bidding, and the second one is from bidding as well. So nothing to worry. Let's go back and check. So it should be 17. Oh, 18 products. Awesome. Now let's go to pet storage, and simply we will go to the category and hit browse over here, and then search for toy, and then just select all the toys over here. Boom, it's added to the collection. Now I'll go to the next one called bedding, and we'll just type in bed and all the beds into it. And third one is collars and laces. So we will say leash 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll say again collar, and 1, 2. We missed these 2. Awesome. Now we can just change the position of these products as well, either by best selling, or if you want you can do it manually. So you can change, for example, I want to make this product the first one, then this one to be the second, and then this one to be third. Awesome. Now if you want to do any rearrangement in the same way, you can just go here and select manually sorting, and then you can just drag and drop the positioning of the product however you want it to be. So I'll leave the pet beds as it is, and for the pet toys I'll just make it a little change. I'll make this one the first, this one the second, and this one the third, and this one the fourth. Awesome, that's it. So now we have already added products, created categories, and let's see how our store looks. So let's close this up. Awesome. So all our products are now added into the Shopify store. It says sold out. I'll show once we are done with the design how to fix this sold out issue. So we are done with adding the products. Let's go ahead and start designing our store. So we'll be starting with a free theme. Okay. So there are a ton of free themes available, and you can just simply click on visit theme store, and over here you can find all the free themes and all the paid themes out there. So all the free themes have their own advantage, disadvantage, and all the paid themes have their own as well. So for this case I'll be using not Dawn, let's use Sun's theme. So that's pretty much good, and let's add it to our store. Boom, it's added. And what we'll need to do is that we'll just publish this theme so that all the changes we can see live on the store itself. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and hit publish. So this theme is now published, and let's customize this. So how I want flow to be, I don't want image with text on the top. First, I'll have the header, and then I'll add a slider. So let's do slideshow. After slider, I would like to have a rich text which says about brand, and after that we'll be adding our categories what we offer. So for that we'll be doing collection list. So we have slideshow, we have rich text wherein we will be putting information about our brand. Now we have collection list wherein we will be selecting our collections. So someone can simply directly click on any of our categories and can go ahead, and then I'll be putting in our collections one by one as well. So since we have 3 collections, I'll simply just go ahead and duplicate this 3 times. So this is the basic structure which I follow while designing a store. So first of all, slideshow, about brand, categories, so customers can directly navigate to which they want to, and then individual collection listings. And once this is done, subscribe to our newsletter and then the footer. So let's go into the chat GPT. Simply one prompt and everything will be done. Now write content for Shopify store. That's it. See, it has provided, okay, there is some issue. Sometimes some issues happen with chat GPT as well. So I just hit rewrite and it's rewriting it. And see, based on this contents as well, we can just add more sections to it. So okay, Shopify has just given us, if you like, in the headline, in the hero section, can slider add where luxury meets love for your pets. Okay, so we'll just copy it and just go back to the hero section. In the first slide, I'll just put in the heading over here. Into the subheading, we'll put this over here and then shop the collection. Now I'll link this particular shop the collection button with collections and all collections, so that when someone clicks over here, goes to all the collections. Okay, and just hit save. And I'll just delete the second slide for now. Now in the rich text, let's talk about our brand. Uh, we can use this, or you can use the brand name as well over here. So let's put in timeless elegance for modern pets. And over here, we got a little text. Just paste it over here and then change this button to shop now. And in collections, again, select all collections so that it's linked to all the collection. For this, we will do explore by categories. And into this, we will be selecting all our 3 categories which we created. So first, I'll do bedding and comfort, and then I'll be doing collars and laces, and then we'll be doing pet toys. So in explore by categories, one can directly click on them and can directly go. Now let's put in our categories one by one over here as well. So let's do bedding and comfort first. So we need to change the name over here as well. Bedding and comfort. Now for the description, you can use the description ChatGPT would have generated. Like for the bedding and comfort, you can just copy it and go over here and put in the description over here. So give your pet the gift of your luxury rest. Awesome. Now for the second one, let's do collar and laces, and we got the text from here for the collar and laces. Collar and laces, and simply just paste in the description which ChatGPT wrote for us, and then we go for the last one, which is called pet toys. So just tell ChatGPT, instead of apparel and accessories, I did pet toys. So write collection description for it. So meanwhile, ChatGPT writes it. Let's go over here and then select the pet toys and pet toys. And the description, we can simply paste in from the ChatGPT. If you want to read it, you can read it. If you don't, no need to. Okay, I mean, you should definitely, if you are making a live store, you should definitely go through it. So let's see what more we have. About us page. So instead of creating a separate about us page, what I'll do is that I'll add a section called image with text, and over here I'll add about us, and then we can just use this content over here. Not that much, just a little text. And then the button I'll say shop now. And then links to all collection. So our basic structure of the store is ready. Okay, here we'll set the menu and stuff as well. We are just talking on the structure. So we got the slider over here. We'll need to put an image over here. Then we got the text, a little text about us. Then explore by categories, and then bedding and comfort. And then we got color and lists. Then pet toys, and then about us. Then subscribe to newsletter. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and put in some images. So for images, you can either get it generated from ChatGPT itself. For example, generate hero image without any text on it. Or you can take the help of Nano Banana to generate some cool images. I mean, Nano Banana is much better than ChatGPT. So, for image generation. And Nano Banana is just a model. It's Gemini where you can generate images. So, you'll need to go to Gemini and then use Nano Banana as the model. And over there, you can create your image. So, since we are doing it fully with ChatGPT, now ChatGPT is generating the image and it's taking years. Maybe I can just go away and take a coffee. Anyways, let's wait. Okay, while it generates the image, let's go and change the text over here. So for the announcement bar, instead of saying welcome to our store, I'll say welcome to Hate. Pause. I'll add another announcement. Free shipping on all orders. Not all orders, say above $50. Okay. And then just save it. Okay, we have our menu as well. Okay, let's set up the menu in the meanwhile. So you can, to set up the menu, you'll need to go to content, then click on menus, and over here you can just create a menu. Let's say this menu is main menu. And over here, you will need to select all the categories which you want to have, say bedding and comfort. And then we have collar and lists. And then again, we have pet toys. Also, we'll need to add a home button so that one can go to home page directly. So select home page from there and hit home, and can simply just change the position over here. And now just save. We'll need to add a contact page as well. So a contact page is created in the pages section. I'll show you. We have not created it. That's why the option is not coming here. So just save it. The menu will just save. And go to online store, then pages. Okay, a default contact page is here, but we have not done any change. That's why it was not showing. So I'll just make it contact us. Now let's go back to menu, content, then menus, click on it, then add a menu item, then pages, then contact us. That's it. That's a typical menu item. However, we'll need to integrate order tracking as well. So I'll do. Oh, awesome. So we got this image created from ChatGPT. Simply let's download it. And let's go back to our customizer, online store. Hit customize and select the slideshow, and then over here select the slide and upload the downloaded image. Sorry, I selected wrong one. Okay, that's image of my client store. which I recently delivered. Okay, so this is done. Okay, the first thing, I don't like this box over here because it's hiding whole pet image. So what I'll do is that I'll just remove the container. Okay, so a container, I'll turn it off. I don't need a container. And now we'll need to work on the color scheme a bit. So I'll just add overlay and the text should be white. So let's select a color scheme. Okay, awesome. I'll just show you how to create color schemes as well in this tutorial itself. So our slider is done, our text is done. Okay. And now we'll need one more image for about a section. So you can get it generated in the same way. Now what I'll use is that I'll just use one of images from our products. So I really like this image. So I'll be using this. And now let's select our menu. So to change the menu, you'll need to go to header and over here replace menu and then select main menu and save it. Now you will see all the options which we added over here are over here. Meanwhile, let's get a logo created for us as well. Create a logo for the store. Now we will need to decide color scheme for our store, like how it should look. So for that there are few ways. What we can do is that we can first either search for pet stores and then pet store. Okay, just search for a pet store and see how pet stores are designed, yellow and pink. Okay, and the next one, let's see. This uses green. I don't like this, so I'll just go back. Let's go to Ziggly. A little bit of blue. Okay. I don't like all of it, but I'll be using this one and this one. So pink and blue. Let's use pink and blue for it and let's see how it goes. Okay. So we'll be using it. Awesome. So let's start from announcement bar. So we'll need to first set our own color scheme. So we'll go to settings, this little icon you'll create over here, then click on colors. Okay, now there are color schemes already created. You can create your own by hitting plus over here and can just simply create the color scheme. So basically we'll be keeping the background as pure white and the background gradient we'll be removing. We'll not be using any gradient color. Now text, of course, we'll be using black. And for the button background, let's use this particular color. Okay, so we'll be using this for the button background and label should be white. And then for the outline event, let's use this. Okay. And what if we use this edge? Okay. So outline text we'll need to do as white. Okay, awesome. So this is one scheme and let's change this scheme. So background color should be white, background gradient should be removed. Now text color should be black and solid background color should be this and outline button color should be this as well and the shadow should be this as well. Awesome. So we got one image. Okay, I don't like this. Let's do white text as well. Okay, white text looks much better. Now add another color scheme. For this we will be using the other color which is pink over here. Okay, so let's pick the color, click here, select it and go back over here. And we are using pink, all pink over here. So this pink, outline button pink, shadow pink, and we'll be using the background pink here as well. And then the text will be doing white. So, okay, outline button we should do white as well. Or even we can use that blue. Hold on. Okay, no. Let's use white. White is much better. Awesome. So we are going to use this pink and blue color scheme. So first of us, we have decided our color scheme. Now click on announcement bar, and from here select the color scheme whichever you like this is for the pink one, and that was one for the blue one. So I'll select the pink on the top. Over here I'll be selecting our blue color scheme. Awesome. And over here I'll be selecting uh, no, it was good as color scheme 1. Yes, it looks good. Let's change the color in over here. So let's use this one, and let's use, we have our, okay, so we can use this one. This looks good. And then similarly, if you want to change color of any of the sections, you can simply just go over here and can select the color scheme. Say for example, you want this to be pink, and say you want this one to be blue. So accordingly you can just pick your color schemes. Now make sure when you are using two colors to just remove the padding from the top and bottom. So remove from the top of this and bottom of this, so that these two will blend into one. Since I am not using it, I'll be just increasing it to 36. Awesome. So our home page is done now. And let's add a bit of padding over here on the bottom because it doesn't look good. Okay. Awesome. So this is how our home page looks. Let's go and check how it is. So this is the home page of ours, which we just used to design this page. Now everything is in on your creativity, how you want to design it, and we are designing it absolutely with the free theme. Oh wow, this logo looks cool. So I'll be just downloading it and I'll be using it. So I don't like whole part of it, so I would just love it to be like this. Okay. And now let me just okay, let's do remove .bz. It's a desktop, and let's remove it. Because we will need a logo with a transparent background text to it. So in the header, logo. Okay. We have option to change our logo over here. Yes, there we go. Select the logo and go to downloads and pick this. Let's increase size of it a bit so that it looks cool. Awesome. We have our logo up added over here. Now let's go and check the category page. Okay, so when we click on bedding and comfort, all the bedding products come up over here. And if we'll go on collar and laces, all our collars and laces will come. And then if we'll go to pet toys, all the pet toys will come. And now if you'll go on the contact us, a contact form will come where your buyers can just simply send you a message. Now let's go on a product page and see how it is. Okay, so first of all, there are a few things which we'll need to change this vendor. So we'll need to just remove this unless you are your own supplier and you have your own product, you can simply just delete this vendor thing so that it won't appear. Now this title, this is title. and this is the pricing, and this is the variant picker. So variant picker, there are a ton of variants. So what I'll do is that I'll just do it drop down style so that it's smaller. And then we have the quantity selector over here. Definitely you'll be having it. And then all the images are just coming up, coming up, coming up. And then we have a related products over here. And that's our product page. Not bad for a free theme. So yeah, it's pretty much beautiful. Awesome. Now just save it. Let's go back and check our store, how it is. So we have a logo over here, we have a search option, we have our login to account, our cart, our categories, contact page, and yeah, we did a beautiful store. I mean, this is a basic beautiful store which we are just designing in this particular module. In our Shopify School Masterclass, I'll be showing you how to design more advanced premium seven-figure stores which converts crazy, and they are done on premium Shopify store as well. And anyone who enrolls into our Shopify Masterclass will be getting a free premium theme which is custom coded by us, and a free theme which is premium as well. We own commercial license for it, so you don't need to get into the mess of licensing. And once you enroll for it, you'll be getting a complete premium theme. Okay, so this is our Shopify store which we just created. For adding order tracking system into the store, I'll be dropping in a separate module for that, because most of people just want to know how to add order tracking system to the store. So this is basic store which we just created from scratch using ChatGPT. We didn't add any images, we didn't add our brand name, we didn't add anything. We just took help of ChatGPT, and then we use help of CD dropshipping as the supplier, and we designed this beautiful store. So hope till you learn this and till you see how to design a basic Shopify store, I'll be going on and recording a new module for the masterclass wherein I'll be showing how to design premium Shopify stores which converts into seven figures. Till then, have an amazing time ahead. Bye bye.